Did you know a man survived 10 days alone in the Sahara Desert by drinking his own urine and eating bats? In 1994, Mauro Prosperi was running the Marathon des Sables, one of the world's toughest races. This isn't just any marathon, it's a 250-kilometer race across the burning hot Sahara Desert. Everything went wrong when a massive sandstorm hit. Mauro got completely lost and ended up in Algeria, hundreds of miles off course. With no food or water, he had to make impossible choices to survive. He drank his own urine to stay alive. He found an old shrine where bats lived, caught them with his bare hands, and ate them raw for protein. The desert heat made him see things that weren't there. He was going crazy from no water. At one point, he even tried to end his life but couldn't go through with it. After 10 days of pure hell, local people finally found him. He had lost 40 pounds and was barely alive. Mauro's story shows just how strong humans can be when facing death.